Welcome back. Rice is significant in Hindu culture as it is considered a symbol of prosperity and well-being. We know it's a staple at our weddings and prayers and even in our religious offerings for protection and blessings. More common to the traditions of South Indians, steamed ground rice prasadam is offered during religious festivities. Today on Conscious Cooking, Anuradha prepares a South African-style Koikoter.
Namaste, Vanakkam, Hare Krishna. Welcome to Conscious Cooking. Today we are making a South African adaptation of a much-loved South Indian sweet called Koikoter. The ingredients for this dish is 500 grams of rice flour, 125 grams of butter, 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of full cream milk, a quarter of a tin of condensed milk, a pinch of cardamom powder and a pinch of nutmeg. I also have already roasted 50 grams of coconut with 50 grams of til. We begin by toasting our rice flour in our butter for about 3 to 5 minutes. Right, and while this is toasting, I'm also going to boil a few more ingredients in another pot simultaneously, so that when this mixture is ready, we're going to add that boiled mixture and we'll be able to form our dumplings that we're going to then put into a steamer and steam for a few minutes. So this rice flour and butter is roasting, toasting very nicely. Let's put in our ingredients for boiling, and that is half a cup of milk, 1 cup of white sugar, and the quarter tin of condensed milk. And we'll just slightly stir all this together while constantly keeping an eye on our flour that's toasting away on the other side. And to this, we're going to be adding our toasted sesame seeds and our coconut, and then we're going to add in our liquid mixture. And when you do this, you will find that all those really interesting aromas that are coming out of the toasted coconut and the sesame and the sweetness of the condensed milk and the sugar, it's all wafting in the air. And just keep mixing until everything is really well incorporated. So we're going to finish off with a final spicy aromatic seasoning of half a teaspoon of nutmeg and a pinch of elaichi powder. So we're heating up some water in this pot to steam our sweet, and in the meantime I'm going to continue shaping all of this until I have finished the rest of the dough, and we will steam it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, our sweet dish has been steaming for a few minutes and it's ready to take out. So there you have it, our easy, simple adaptation of that South Indian classic Koikoter.